giant chocolate chip peanut butter walnut cookies.
Good morning, everyone. This is Fran. Welcome back to my kitchen. I finally cleaned up my kitchen today. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So the first thing that we are going to need is 1 stick of butter. Okay, now we are going to need 3/4 cup of peanut butter. You can use crunchy if you would like, but we are just going to use creamy. Now we need 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. There we go. So now we are going to need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg. And we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, now we're going to cream our mixture. I'll hook up my mixer here. Now we're going to cream our mixture. So now we are going to add our dry ingredients. Okay, so we need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to kind of beat it in slow. Now we're going to put in the rest of our dry ingredients. We need 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/8. One teaspoon of baking soda, not powder, but soda. You could have put it in with the flour mixture. Now I'm going to take a little wooden spatula and kind of form it up. It should form up into a ball. That means it's ready and perfect. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. I'm telling you, I was going to put peanuts, but I love walnuts. The walnuts will give this such a great flavor. Now we're going to put in some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to put 1 cup in. And this is a 1/2 cup measure, so we need another 1/2 cup. I'm just going to kind of move this around. We're going to fold it in. We're going to set this in our refrigerator for about 10 minutes. While I clean up this, we'll get out our cookie pan and we're going to get on making these cookies. Now we're going to put our cookies in the oven. I've let them chill for about 10 minutes. I've got me a cookie scoop. Remember, these are giant peanut butter chocolate chip walnut cookies. All right, so we're going to leave about 3 inches apart for these cookies. Sometimes I just like to do things a little different. I know I'm going to eat at least 2 or 3, so just make 1 big giant cookie, and then you've only eaten 1 cookie. So this made us a baker's dozen, which is 13. Got to figure out where I'm going to put it. I think I am going to put this in a little bowl, and I'll have a big chocolate chip cookie one day. I'm going to freeze it because you can freeze cookie dough. Because one day I'm going to want, maybe my grandkids are coming, I can make 2 small peanut butter chocolate chip walnut cookies for my grandbabies. Or I could have just put it on another pan, but I'm just going to freeze it. Or maybe I'm just going to want a big peanut butter cookie for myself. But we are going to put these in the oven, and we're going to make 12 giant cookies, 350 degrees. And we're going to leave those in there for 15 minutes exactly. Don't peek. So I'm going to get the lid. I'm going to label this, and I'll have it another day. Okay, my alarm just went off. It is time to get those cookies out of the oven. By the time you see this, the Super Bowl will be over, but this is part of my little Super Bowl party today. Oh yeah, great big giant chocolate chip cookies. If you're having a birthday party, instead of buying those cookies that are $5 and $6 a piece, make you some great big giant chocolate chip peanut butter walnut cookies. Man, it's torture looking at those cookies cool. But I'm gonna let them cool. I'll be back in just a few minutes. This is our giant chocolate chip cookie. Look at the back, perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna try it. There are no words. Go make this cookie. Don't pay $6 or $7 for a cookie for your kid's birthday. Make these cookies. They'll love you. Make them for breakfast for them. Surprise them. Make these for after school treat for your kids. Or when they have friends over or sleep over. Or just make them for you. Or your ladies club or Bible study or your husband. Oh my gosh. Or your boyfriend. And it'll make him your husband. Go. Enjoy. Have a good day. Go Chiefs, go 49ers. Oh my gosh. I'm eating a cookie. I'm the winner.